Hi Anbu, என் செல்லக்குட்டி Anbu, angry Anbu, how are you? D, I follow you on SSG. You already walked 10,000 plus steps, but still you look so energetic. You're not tired, huh? எப்படி? ஐயோ, if I do things that I like doing, I don't feel tired at all. I feel so energetic. What did you do today? Today, I went for shopping to Lallumal. Did you order food and have there only? Yes, yeah. You know what? I couldn't resist the smell of this enticing food at this mall, so I ended up having. Ah, I'm sure you were thirsty, drank water also, no? Duh. Of course I was thirsty after having food. But tell me one thing, how do you know all this? You have started seeing palm history or what? Ayyo, I learned from number leader that this is actually a secret hack, a strategy that these malls and supermarts use. These malls in the air, they have ozone infused, they have additional oxygen and possibly even pheromones into the air to keep you more energetic and have more stamina. Follow number leader for part 2 of mall hacks. If you like these kind of career, finance, management and business stories, do let me know in the comments below.